power with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Roseland, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, and Park Forest. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 336 and 356. Interstate 80 between mile markers 150 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 66 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 66 and 74. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 12. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 18. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 247 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the emergency alert system is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio